Hello designers. In this video, we'll explore built-in text animations in After Effects that are incredibly impressive. Let's dive right in. First up is bullet train. Apply it to your text. Boom, it's stunning. Next, we have text bounce. Apply this one for a nice bouncy effect. Moving on to the third option, exposure. Apply it, and if you find the animation too slow or fast, you can adjust it. Select the text layer and press U to reveal the keyframes. You can modify the timing by bringing keyframes closer together to speed it up or spacing them out to slow it down. Let's continue exploring these fantastic effects. Next, let's search for elbow room and apply it to our text. Let's see how it looks. It changes the color, but if you want to revert to your original color, you can easily do that. First, navigate to its properties. There are Animator 1 and Animator 2. Go to Animator 2 properties, and here you can adjust the color. Let's watch the animation again. Now, let's find crunch in Effects and Presets. Apply it to the text. Wow, this looks fantastic. As I mentioned earlier, if you feel it's too fast or slow, press U to reveal the keyframes. You can adjust the spacing between them to make it slower or faster. Moving on to the last preset, Jetstream. Apply it to your text and preview it. It's another amazing text animation. If you feel that at the start, the characters are too spaced out, press U to view the keyframes. Here, you can adjust the spacing between the text characters according to your preference. Let's watch it and you're all set. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and for more tutorials and tips like these, subscribe to Ace Designs.